Hi, my name is Omkar. Today I am going to show you the web-based application and syntax checking tool. So this basically tool is developed in Java. That's why I am using Java NetBeans 6.9.1, which is an open source and which helps the developer to make use of reusable codes. And it also supports various servers like Tomcat Apache and Glassfish. Now let's start with our project. So this QB web service is a web service application. This is the QB server application and this is the client window. So now first we will deploy the server. The server used in this application is Glassfish. We can also use Tomcat Apache, it's one and the same thing, but Glassfish its inbuilt features supports, it gives a lot of to a developer to handle various codes. That's why the software application has made use of Glassfish server 3. Now you can see that it takes approximately 120 microseconds to run a particular server. If the server is already run, then it will just if you again want to run it or reload it, it will just run in a few seconds. Yes, it is. Now we'll run the web service. It will open a browser. As you can see that it has opened my Chrome browser. Yes, so the local host means we are running on a local machine. That's why it's saying local host and the port number 8080, and this shows that our web service has been started. Now we will start with our server app. Now we'll log in into it. So this is called an query builder window. This mainly contains element possibilities. The elements are the possible syntax that are included in the MySQL server, that is included in MySQL database. So suppose if you want to insert, then just you have to double click. These are the possible into table value where. So these are the possibilities that come into it. So yeah, then we have to click on save to save these details. Once it's saved, then we have to export it, then back. Now we have to run the client window. For that, yes, I already registered user A and A. If you are a new user, you just have to fill these fields and then you have to just confirm. Then the user will get added and you can log in with that. So my user is A, his password is A. Now I'm logging into it. Yes, so you can see that this is the main tool window I have developed. So this consists of the tables that is already present in the database. This is Coventry students and students. These are the possible fields they have: the ID, name and phone, the Coventry student ID and data, student ID and student name. This entry query here, this shows that the users can type the query here and perform the query against the MySQL server. Now here, this is the query assistance. So this basically gives the user the next possible syntax. For example, suppose I type select, so you can see that it move on to the select. Just press enter. Then it gives the next possibility, that is star. So we can put star, then from, and the table name Coventry. For that you have to just go into that and it comes into the query screen. So once it is done, just you have to submit the query. The possible results are here, that is shown in the query result. Now I have provided a feature with that if a user want to compare the result with the next query, he has to just click on the view in new page. So the previous query run will come here. Now we can run the second query as well. Suppose Coventry, then COV from second table. Okay, and as I submit, so the users can compare these two results, and based on that he will understand what possibilities are there in the tables. Now I will make a mistake here. Okay, I submit. Yeah, so this is the message error box. This will give me the error and where the error lie, it will give me the line number. See, you can see that here the FEREM is the syntax error. So from with the help of this we can solve our errors. And that's it. This is my web-based SQL editing and syntax checking tool. Thank you.